Welcome, Simply Drawn here, and we're going to go down the rabbit hole in a drawing. We're going to start by drawing a circle, not a perfect circle, so we're not using a tracer, it's a rabbit hole. Then I'm going to go around a few more times, each time a little lower, to give our rabbit hole some depth. And now I'm going to go around the top part where he's going to be peeking out a few more times, just to make that area thicker and darker, so we have some contrast of where the white funny face is poking over the edge of the rabbit hole looking down. I like to make my rabbit ears take up more than half of the space of the rabbit hole, because the long ears of the rabbit are what make him so unique. And I'm going to make my rabbit face get out wider as it comes down, so that would be where the cheeks are. These eyes. And I'm going to make a V for the nose and a straight line down for a Y. So this could absolutely be a stopping point to keep it really simple for a journal entry. You can tell he's looking down the rabbit hole. But I'm going to go ahead and add some pink, totally optional. Add some pink to the ears, and I'm going to add some cheeks. Again, that's another stopping point. But I want my rabbit to look like he's really investigating something, so I'm going to add a magnifying glass. I'm going to go around several times to bring that magnifying glass forward, so you can see it's in front of him. And that little curve is the rabbit foot holding onto the magnifying glass, and there's our handle. And because he's looking through the magnifying glass, we're going to magnify that eye, so he's got that one big eye looking through the glass. And because I want to show you're really questioning or investigating when you go down these rabbit holes, I'm going to add the question marks and say, what's going on? Because I have it, I'm going to add some gray to bring that magnifying glass forward. Again, totally optional. And there you have it.